Hey everyone, welcome to Ortuss Accessories. Today, I'm back with a beautiful and elegant bracelet tutorial and I named it Serenity. This bracelet features stunning yellow crackle beads paired with golden beads in intervals, creating a timeless and radiant look. Let's get started. Materials needed: gold chain extension, lobster clasp, crimp beads, jump rings, head pins, yellow crackle beads, golden beads. First, take a jump ring and open it using your pliers. Add the lobster clasp and then close the jump ring. Measure your wrist and cut a nylon string about 5 to 10 centimeters longer than your wrist size. Next, add a crimp bead to the string, followed by the jump ring with the lobster clasp. Then, take the end of the string and pass it through the crimp bead as shown in the video. Use your chain nose pliers to compress the crimp bead and secure it. Now, let's begin adding the beads. Start with a golden bead, followed by a crackle bead. Repeat this pattern until you reach your desired length. Next, let's make the charm. Take a head pin and add a crackle bead to it. Using the side cutters, cut the head pin about halfway down, as shown in the video. Then, use your round nose pliers to curl the top into a loop. To finish the charm, open another jump ring, add the chain and the charm, and then close it. Now, take the end of the bracelet string and add a crimp bead along with the chain and charm, as shown in the video. To secure it, thread the string through one golden bead and one crackle bead, pulling it tightly. Then, crush the crimp bead using your chain nose pliers and cut off any excess string. And that's it, your Serenity Bracelet is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jewelry making videos. Let me know in the comments what tutorial should I make next. See you in the next tutorial.